A very good day from the east side of Singapore. Once again, today we are exploring Decathlon again because there are hundreds if not thousands of riding gears and accessories that are sold in Decathlon. And today, we are venturing into some of the gears and accessories that you might not even know that exist in Decathlon. And lastly, Decathlon is giving away two $50 voucher to 2 lucky winners. All you need to do is to give this video a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a comment down below on what are the items that you wish to get from Decathlon. And winners will be selected and announced here on my YouTube channel on the 16th of December. Hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you never miss any of our videos. Alright guys, here we are entering Bedok's Decathlon. And first thing of course we have to do is to check in this safe entry. And of course vaccinated. So I do remember that Decathlon, the cycling section used to be on the right side of it, but now it's on the left side. Alright, now before heading over to the cycling slash riding section, something that I would recommend is this right here at the corner. This pair of transparent glasses retails at $5, and reason why I'm recommending this pair of glasses is because honestly, when I'm doing food delivery, there are definitely times whereby I'm behind a big lorry that is transporting sand or whatnot. You know, all of this gets into my eyes. So this is definitely a gear that I would recommend. And once again, it just only costs $5. Not only that it protects you from sand and dust, it also has this 100% UV filter. Let's just get one of this out and for you guys to have a look. 100% UV filter. In fact, let me open this up and you guys can get a better look. There it is. That's how it looks. Okay, however, if you guys are looking for shades up, what I would recommend is Kui Chua hiking sunglasses, and in my opinion they are nicer looking. There's more variety of choices, and of course it's $15. These are the ones over here. We got black, we got blue display over here, but I do not know where it is. And we also got brown color. I think black is something that people will usually get more often. Okay, now let's head over to the riding section. And side note, there were already some of the items that are pretty essential for food delivery riders in a previous video, which were the 900 liters waterproof bike smartphone holder, 500 saddle cover memory foam, as well as the 15 liters pannier bag, just to name a few. Alright, so now we are at the riding section. This hole is the riding section, and there are a few things that I want to cover in this row. So let's start off with the front basket first, and then to the other side. Now, I know not many people will want to get this equipped on their ride because of its appearance, but at the same time, not many people also would know that where to get this front basket. Hence, this front basket is on the list. Okay, the front basket actually do not need too long of an introduction, but the easiest one would be this one, retailing at $12. And this reason why I recommend this is because it comes with a front hook. Ooh. There we go. It comes with a front hook, so no tools are required to install this. Thank you very much. And it's super easy to mount it. So if front basket is not your type of thing, on the left side we have this Riverside 300 front pouch over here. And I think this is a good size bag, very handy to put your essentials such as your cable, your power bank, and your cigarettes. And let's just open up to have a look at how deep this goes. This is 2.5 liters. And let's see if there's any other compartments or if there's just one. Yeah, there's only one compartment. This is the part whereby you hook onto your handlebar. It goes this way, it goes this direction. Right, and now moving on the left again, we have the bottle holder, or some would call it the bottle cages. That's what Decathlon would call it. And for bottle holder, I don't think we need anything too expensive. So let's look at the affordable ones, which are these two, which are $5. So the differences is that this is aluminium and this is hard plastic. And for aluminium, what I think is that aluminium is a little more stretchable. So if in the event if you have big bottles, this will be useful. And whereas compared to this hard plastic bottle cages, they are not as elastic. They can't really stretch because they are on the harder side. But the great thing about this is that there are more color choices compared to the aluminium ones over there. And in terms of bike compatibility, Decathlon says that it's for all bikes except kids' bike. So both of this, they are compatible for all the bikes. And now we are looking for locks. When it comes to lock, Decathlon has a wide variety of it, ranging from cable lock to ULock, and this is round lock. And personally, I've been using the cable lock, and the problem about it is that cable lock sometimes would get tangled, so it can get quite annoying. So for the new riders that are watching this, I would recommend you to get a ULock instead. Now Decathlon has two types of ULock. The one that goes for $30, which is heavier, definitely heavier and more durable, so I believe like people can't cut off the metal. And the other type would be this between 500. The downside of this lock is that it's rather small where compared to this $35 one. This is the between 900 lock, right? And this could only lock onto your tires. However, that being said, us food delivery riders would most of the time park our bikes outside the mall, and not all malls entrances would have a pole or barricade for us to lock onto something secure. So I think this is pretty lightweight and good enough for locking for a short period of time. So personally, I'll consider using this because firstly, it's lightweight. I can hang this onto my handlebar without adding more weight to my bicycle or e-bike. And the second choice for me would be the one over here, because this really feels solid. But then again, if you're paying like $30 for this, you might as well get this already, because this is like $5 difference, and this is, ooh, guys, look at this. This is huge. This you can attach the frame of your bike to, anything that is like a pole or barricade. So for me, so if you guys want to get ULock, it's either this or this already. Once again, on my right is $10, on my left is $35. Also, for $35, instead of getting one lock, you could get two lights. Here we have, this is the eLoops 920 ST, and it comes with high luminous front and rear lights. And when I mention high luminous, we are talking about, like, look at this chart over here, guys. This is like the highest luminous, 300 luminous among all of the lights displayed over here. So let's demonstrate this. Okay, for this rear light, let's start off with the rear light, because the front light is really exciting. I'm going to show you guys in a later part. The rear light, there's a button at the back. Okay, the button at the back. Woo, look at this, it's really bright. 1, 2, 3 modes. This is blinking. Right, for rear lights, it's just 3 modes. Okay, I'm pointing this at the camera. I'm not going to point it to my eyes, but I hope I don't blind myself. This is bright. 3 modes. This is the blinking one. 3 modes. Once again, all of this, there are 3 modes, but it's really, really bright. So if you want for safety, I would definitely really recommend this series, this brand, because it's just useful instead of like those
$2, $4 kind of USB light. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this row of cycling section. Now, I'm looking for... Guys, have a look at this. These are the things that I didn't know Decathlon sells until today. They are selling like 11 speed gears, brake levers. Wow. I wouldn't be touching much on this unless you guys know how to fix or rather change your own, you know, gears and stuff. For me, I myself, another second reason is because I do not know how to change any of this, but at the very least, hey, I know how to change this brake, okay? Okay, this is the one that I'm looking for. Let's open one. I don't know if you can open one to have a look. Okay, so the reason I would recommend this is because, of course, the name, ergonomic. When you hold onto it, this side of your palm, the left side of your palm, it actually rests onto this surface area. So, which makes it more comfortable, especially for riders that are riding for a prolonged period of time. And the second reason, as you can see, like this entire thing, there's more surface area, so it's more secure, especially you go onto like humps and bumps, you know, you tend to shake the handlebar a little bit, so in general it covers, you just have more security. It's more secure to hold this type of handlebar grip, whereas compared to the straight type. But of course, I mean, there are people that like the straight type because it's nicer.
From now till the 25th of December, Decathlon is giving away free Christmas wrappers with a minimum purchase of $20. You could wrap it immediately once you have made the purchase. However, this is only for in-store purchase only. I hope you find something that you will need to get from Decathlon in this video. I'll leave the links on the products that I've mentioned, and if you wish to watch more of this content, I've just one more video for you to enjoy on the top right. Or you could watch one of my latest vlog on the bottom right. Fellow riders, see you on the streets!